Hey guys, welcome to C++ tutorials. We'll start by seeing how to set up the software for C++ programming. We'll be using code blocks for C++ programming. So first go to Google and type code block downloads. Go to the first link, codeblocks.org.downloads. Here, click on download the binary release version. Download the one which has GCC compiler with it. That's the fourth link here. It has two links, sourceforge.net or FOSSHub. You can click on any of the two links to download the software. We'll be clicking on the first link, sourceforge.net. It will redirect you to a site and your download will start automatically in few seconds. You can see the download has already started on the bottom left of the screen. So now let's go on to write our first program in code blocks. Printing hello world. Under file, open a new empty file. In code blocks, before we write any program, we need to save the file in order to build and run it. So click on the save option and let's give it a name, hello world. The extension for C++ files is .cpp, so you need to insert a .cpp after the name. Let's click on save. The file is now saved. So let's start writing our first program. Include iostream. Here iostream is the inbuilt library of code block software. It contains various inbuilt functions such as cout, cin, which helps us to take in input or print output on the screen. So we include this library first by writing the statement. Then moving on, using namespace standard std. This expression means that we'll be using the standard names in the library iostream. Moving on, int main. This is where we'll be writing our main program, main C++ program. Return 0. This is basically a function, int main, where we'll be writing our C++ program. Here, int is the return type of the function. That means it will be returning an integer. So, as we are not returning anything, we'll write return 0, and main is the name of this function. It is an identifier. So, moving on forward. Cout hello world. Here cout is an inbuilt library function for printing anything on the screen. It is an inbuilt function of iostream library. We'll be using cout followed by two less than signs, then an expression enclosed within inverted commas, and then a semicolon. Return 0. Every expression will be followed by a semicolon. If we want to write a comment which is not meant to be a part of the main program, we can write the comment by using two backslashes. So now I'm writing the syntax for printing anything on the screen. You can write cout followed by two less than equal to signs, then a string enclosed within quotation marks followed by a semicolon. This is the syntax for printing anything on the screen. So now we need to build and run the program. Either we can build and run the program from here, or go to the build menu and choose build and run. As soon as we click that, an exe file opens, and down in the build messages we can see if there's any error in the program or some warnings. In the exe file we can see the output hello world. Process return 0 indicates the end of the program and the execution time of the program. Pressing any key to continue, you can further write the program. So this was all about the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.